Welcome to Heavenly Daily Prayers. Heal every cell with this powerful healing prayer for mind, body, and spirit. If you're feeling overwhelmed by pain, stress, or spiritual disconnect, you're not alone. Today, you'll experience a sacred moment of divine connection, hope, and renewal as we invite God's loving presence to bring healing and restoration into every area of your life. Open your heart, take a deep breath, and prepare to receive the divine healing that is already available to you through faith, prayer, and divine love. In a world filled with stress, pain, and uncertainty, the urgent need for divine healing has never been more apparent. Every day, countless individuals face physical ailments, emotional struggles, and spiritual disconnection. These challenges can leave us feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, and lost. But amid the chaos, there is hope, a divine power ready to restore, renew, and heal every part of us. This healing prayer is more than words. It's a sacred invitation to connect deeply with God's loving presence. As you meditate on this prayer, take a moment to pause, breathe deeply, and open your heart to divine grace. Allow the divine presence to surround you, bringing comfort and reassurance. Remember, healing is a journey, not a one-time event, and divine grace is always available to guide you through each step along the way. Many of us carry wounds that are both visible and hidden, past hurts, regrets, fears, and doubts that weigh heavily on our minds and bodies. These burdens can manifest as physical pain, emotional distress, or spiritual emptiness. Sometimes the pain feels so overwhelming that we wonder if relief will ever come. It's easy to feel isolated in our suffering, to believe that healing is out of reach. But this prayer serves as a sacred reminder that no matter how deep your pain runs, divine healing is within your grasp. It is an invitation to surrender your worries, your fears, and your doubts, and to invite God's loving touch into every corner of your being. Trust that divine love is greater than any wound, and that through faith and prayer, restoration is possible. Healing begins with faith, a belief rooted in trust that divine power can transform our lives. When we believe in the Creator's ability to restore and renew, we open ourselves to miracles beyond our understanding. Prayer itself becomes a conduit for divine healing. A heartfelt conversation with the one who understands our suffering intimately and desires to uplift us. As you listen and meditate on these words, allow your heart to be receptive. Release any skepticism or doubt and embrace the hope that divine intervention is already underway. With faith, you plant seeds of healing in your soul, trusting that divine grace will bring about transformation in ways you may not yet see, but can surely feel. Your mind, often overwhelmed with doubt, fear, or confusion, needs peace. In a noisy world filled with distractions, finding mental clarity can seem impossible. Yet, divine truth and love have the power to quiet the mental chaos. This prayer is designed to help you release negative thoughts and invite God's wisdom to renew your mind with hope, purpose, and serenity. Picture the peace of divine love washing over your thoughts, calming every anxious voice, and replacing it with divine reassurance. Remember, mental healing is just as vital as physical healing, because a peaceful mind nurtures a healthy body and spirit. When your thoughts align with divine truth, your entire being begins to harmonize, and you can face life's challenges with renewed strength and clarity. Physical pain and ailments drain the spirit and diminish our joy of living. They can make even simple daily tasks feel burdensome. But know that divine healing is not just a distant myth. It is a divine promise rooted in God's eternal love. This prayer calls upon God's healing power to mend your body, restore your vitality, and bring comfort to your suffering. Visualize divine energy flowing through you, mending tissues, relieving pain, and restoring strength. Trust in God's ability to turn weakness into resilience and despair into hope. Remember, every ache and pain is an invitation for divine healing to work within you, transforming your suffering into peace and renewed vitality. Emotional wounds, such as grief, anger, or despair, can linger long after the initial hurt. These scars can hinder our spiritual growth and overall well-being, keeping us stuck in pain and preventing us from experiencing true joy. Through this prayer, you are invited to release emotional burdens and embrace divine love that heals the heart. Picture God's infinite compassion flowing into your wounds, soothing your pain, and restoring your emotional balance. God's love extends beyond understanding. His healing reaches into the depths of your heart, mending brokenness and filling you with divine peace. Let go of past hurts and trust that divine love can renew your spirit, bringing emotional freedom and spiritual vitality. Spiritually, we sometimes feel distant from God or disconnected from our purpose. These moments of spiritual dryness can be confusing and disheartening. But this prayer offers a sacred opportunity to reconnect and realign with divine guidance. As you open your heart to divine presence, you invite spiritual renewal, clarity of purpose, and a renewed sense of hope. Visualize divine light illuminating the path before you, guiding your steps and filling you with divine wisdom. Remember, spiritual healing is a journey. Each prayer, each moment of surrender, draws you closer to the divine truth that resides within you. Trust that your spiritual connection is never lost. It is always there, waiting to be rekindled through prayer and faith. Divine healing isn't always immediate. Sometimes it unfolds gradually over time. Patience and unwavering faith are essential components of the healing process. As you pray, trust that divine forces are working on your behalf, even if you do not see immediate results. Sometimes healing manifests subtly through a renewed sense of hope, a shift in perspective, or a gentle easing of pain. Be patient with yourself and with divine timing. Hold onto the promise that divine love is active and alive within you, transforming your life in ways you might not yet comprehend. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is part of your divine healing journey. This prayer is also a reminder that you are never alone in your struggles. The Creator is always present, listening, caring, and ready to comfort you. When you surrender your pain and fears in prayer, you align yourself with divine power that can move mountains and heal wounds seen and unseen. Embrace this divine partnership, trusting that God's love is stronger than any obstacle you face. Let your faith serve as a shield and a source of strength, knowing that divine love is always with you, guiding and supporting you through every challenge. Healing is a holistic process. Mind, body, and spirit are interconnected, and neglecting one can hinder the others. This prayer emphasizes the importance of nurturing every part of yourself, trusting that divine healing encompasses the entire being. Allow God's love to flow freely into every aspect of your life, killing negativity, restoring energy, and filling your spirit with divine light. As each part of you is healed, you experience a greater sense of balance, harmony, and wholeness. Trust that divine love can restore even the most broken pieces and bring you into a state of complete wellness. As you listen to or recite this prayer, remember that divine healing is a gift rooted in love and mercy. It's a divine promise that no matter how broken or weary you may feel, God's grace can restore and uplift you. Hold on to this hope with unwavering faith, allowing it to be a guiding light in your darkest moments. Let your faith be a beacon that attracts divine blessings and healing into your life, illuminating your path toward wholeness and joy. Believe that divine love is always present, ready to work miracles within you. Now, take a moment to center yourself. Breathe deeply, close your eyes if you wish, and prepare your heart to receive divine healing. Feel the divine love surrounding you, embracing you fully. Know that you are loved beyond measure, and healing is your divine right. Trust that as you open your heart in prayer, divine power is working miracles within and around you, restoring what is broken and renewing what has been worn down. Be patient and gentle with yourself, knowing that divine timing is perfect. Let this prayer be a source of comfort, strength, and encouragement on your journey toward healing. Whether you seek relief from physical pain, emotional scars, or spiritual disconnection, remember that divine healing is always accessible. Believe in the limitless power of prayer and the boundless love of God to restore your life. Keep your faith alive and let divine hope carry you through every challenge. Know that every moment spent in prayer brings you closer to the wholeness you seek. May you find peace in the knowledge that divine healing is happening even now, in ways seen and unseen. Trust in God's perfect timing and divine wisdom. Allow your faith to be strengthened by this prayer and carry the hope of healing with you into every moment of your day. Remember, miracles happen when you believe, and divine love is always working on your behalf. Finally, surrender your worries and doubts fully into God's loving care. Trust that divine healing is not just a wish, but a divine promise fulfilled through unwavering faith. Keep your heart open, your spirit hopeful, and your mind receptive to the miracles unfolding around and within you. Release control, lean into divine love, and be receptive to the healing power that flows freely when you open your heart. If this prayer touched your soul, please like, share, and subscribe for more powerful prayers and spiritual encouragement. Leave a comment below to share your healing journey or to request specific prayers. Remember, you are never alone. Divine love is always with you, guiding and supporting your every step. Stay blessed, keep faith alive, and trust in the divine power working within you